I woke up in a mempool wearing flip-flop keys. Satoshi whispered, bro, relax, brew a block of cheese. Time got stapled to a toaster, toast when number go up. My wallet sneezed, signed a message, now my socks are stuck. Tiny day, taeao. Oute, iina. Mea umasau miti ai Oute fire. Tiny day, taeao. Faamole fa talimai. I tried to scan a QR on a watermelon moon. Flea market doing jazz hands in a cardboard suit. I don't know why it works this way, but TikTok, it be Tuesday. Shake that UXTO, slurp that hash, pour cold storage in a plastic glass. Keys go click, blocks go doom, lightning tap dancing in my living room. Makes sense, it's probably wrong. Sing it loud. Bitcoin nonsense song. I noticed wearing sunglasses indoors again. Says don't trust me, verify your pen. Alvin ate my homework, teacher said nice. Clock just fell asleep at a reasonable price. I don't know what I told. Tiny taeao, taeao iina, It's that wow. Who my roof, my cheese, who fade the fees? Why's my ski phrase hymen with peas? I asked the child where we're supposed to go. It shrugged twice and whispered, I don't know, bro.
Shake that UXTO.
Slurp that hat. Doing ballet in the truck.
I don't know why it works this way.
I take charge. It be Tuesday. Pijo click. Blocks go down. Boom, wearing Crocs and see you soon. If it makes sense, it's probably wrong. Sing it loud. Bitcoin nonsense song. If you hear this and feel calm, congrats, you passed the nonsense exam.